If you've been to Disneyland over the past 18 years, you certainly know about FastPass, the system that lets you reserve a place in line at popular attractions without actually having to wait in the long standby line. Last year, Disneyland added something new to their FastPass option called MaxPass, and in this video, we're going to talk all about MaxPass and if it's something that you want to use, or if you're better off sticking with the regular FastPass system. Instead of walking up to a FastPass distribution point near the attraction you want to go on, you make all MaxPass reservations on your smartphone using the Disneyland app. To make the reservation, you first need to have your ticket or annual pass scanned in at the park gate. This is really great, so instead of having one member of your party running back and forth through the park trying to get fast passes for your group, you can do it right from your phone. I feel like this is the first way MaxPass helps you make better use of your time. For myself, sometimes I could have gotten more fast passes, but I didn't want to keep running back and forth between California Adventure and Disneyland or back throughout the park. So MaxPass takes away that inconvenience by letting you do it all on your phone. MaxPass can save you even more time by allowing you to get more fast passes faster. When using the standard FastPass system, you can't get a second FastPass reservation until your current FastPass becomes active, or after a maximum of 2 hours have passed. For example, if I get a FastPass for Splash Mountain at 9:30 a.m., and my return time is 12:55 to 1:55 p.m., I can't get another FastPass until 11:30. But with MaxPass, you never have to wait longer than 90 minutes to get another FastPass, so you could get another FastPass 30 minutes sooner. That may not seem like a lot, but let's say you only have one day in the park, and it's summertime and the hours are 8 a.m. to midnight. If you had to wait the maximum time each time before you got another FastPass, using the regular FastPass system, you could only get a total of 8 FastPasses in one day, but with MaxPass you could get a total of 11. And in some cases, your return time is going to be even better, because if someone has made a MaxPass reservation for an attraction but then they decide they don't want to go on it or that time doesn't work for them, they can cancel it, and those times will go back and let other people with MaxPass have a chance to reserve those. So every so often you'll see on MaxPass times pop up that are much earlier than the standard FastPass reservation time. Also with MaxPass, you get unlimited Disney PhotoPass photo downloads for pictures taken on the day you have MaxPass. So you can get photos from select dining locations, attractions, character greetings, and Disney PhotoPass photographers throughout the park. This is a great deal because often those attraction photos or character photos can be $15 to $20 for just one print off. So with all these benefits, why wouldn't you use MaxPass? Well, because it costs $10 a day to add to your ticket, or $75 to add to your annual pass, and that's per person. So if you are a family of 5, that is $50 a day. So if you're there on a 3-day trip, that's an additional $150 if you use MaxPass the whole time. Depending on your situation, that may be totally fine, but if that seems a little costly, what I would do is determine what day or days are going to be most busy. Maybe you're going to be there on a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I would get MaxPass probably for Friday when it seems more busy. Also keep in mind that many of the FastPass attractions have height requirements, so if you're traveling with a lot of little ones, maybe the money would be better spent on a character breakfast or souvenirs, or maybe everyone meets the height requirements but attractions aren't the main draw, and having a special dinner or special treats throughout the trip would be more meaningful. Do whatever works best for you. 2 additional tips. If just one of you pays the $10 a day, you can still get all the PhotoPass downloads for the character meet and greets and attractions. So I feel like $10 for all those pictures is a really great deal. And if you're having any trouble with the app, go to one of the cast members at the info booth or at the wait time boards on Main Street or Buena Vista Street. Those cast members are specially trained to help you with MaxPass, and it's a lot more efficient than trying to call the 1-800 number that's listed on the app. As you can see, MaxPass is a great tool and does save you time and can help you get on more attractions, but you can still have a wonderful trip without it. Have you tried MaxPass? If so, let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a like, and be sure and subscribe. We have more reviews and tips coming every Tuesday.